My evening at a Vietnamese restaurant. Last Saturday, I decided to try a new Vietnamese restaurant in my neighborhood. I had heard many good things about it, so I was excited to see what it was like. When I arrived, the place was busy, but I managed to get a small table near the window. The waiter brought me the menu, and I looked through all the dishes. I love Vietnamese food, but I couldn't decide what to order. After a few minutes, I chose to start with fresh spring rolls and then have pho, a famous Vietnamese noodle soup, for my main course. The spring rolls arrived quickly, and they were delicious. They were filled with shrimp, vegetables, and fresh herbs, and they came with a tasty peanut dipping sauce. I ate them slowly, enjoying every bite. Then, my pho arrived. The soup was hot and full of flavor. It had tender slices of beef, rice noodles, and a lot of fresh herbs like basil and cilantro. I added some lime juice and a little bit of chili sauce to make it spicy. As I ate, I felt very satisfied. The soup was exactly what I needed on a cool evening. After I finished my meal, the waiter asked if I wanted dessert. I was already full, but the dessert menu looked so good that I couldn't resist. I ordered a small portion of cha, a traditional Vietnamese sweet soup made with coconut milk, beans, and jelly. It was sweet and refreshing, a perfect end to my meal. Before I left, I thanked the waiter for the great service and delicious food. I was happy I decided to try this restaurant, and I knew I would come back soon. It was one of the best dining experiences I've had in a long time.